Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Comfast product. It is outdoor high power wireless. It is like 1200 megabits. Let's go ahead and inside. It is wireless access point. It shows how we're going to do the connections. If you want to extend your internet connection, you can basically do so. Let's go ahead and look at what's inside. We have also antennas. We have the cables. Materials needed. And this is the box. We did the connection. It's PoE. It's gonna go to left side and the Ethernet cable right there, and you're getting the internet from the router. Then you're gonna go to your cell phone and go to settings and go ahead and find Comfast. Then go ahead and go to the internet and put 192.168.10.1 and go. If it's not your language, you're just gonna go over here right there and click English, and login is admin login, and you're gonna see the connected router, and you can change the settings over here. It says network wireless, and go ahead and put your password, and that's the same thing. And you can change the names. For 5.8, that's the same thing. Settings is confirming now. Let's see what's going on here. And it's resetting right now. Alright, we did all the connections and the settings. Let me go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi. We did the Wi-Fi password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let me join. At the same time, let's check what's going on there. Right now it's connected. I'm gonna go out and see what's going on. Let's see, 2.4. Now it's 2.4. I still have an internet connection. I'm right there. I still have internet connection. Oh, I still have internet connection in 2 bars. Isn't that good? Now it's 1. It's a long distance. I still have the connection. Do you see that? I still have that. I am too far away from my home. I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still going. This is awesome. I'm still going. I don't know how long I can go, how far I can go. I still have internet connection. Okay guys, I think this is enough. I'm already too far from my house. The weather is too good outside. I think this internet connection is enough, like everything around the house. You don't need anything else. Again, this is Comfast. It's 1200 megabit per second. And it's awesome. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.